Okay, here is my little attempt at a redneck camp stove. Okay, so got a cast iron pot, little 85-cent tray from Home Depot for plants. It's terracotta, a couple of butter knives, and what this is it's a dish. It's a strainer. Just take the metal piece, or the little piece inside screws out, and then this is a fruit corer. It's all stuff I had in the kitchen. And then hand sanitizer on a wad of toilet paper. And I made the mistake of putting a little bit of oil, cooking oil on it, so you don't have to do that. But as you can see, it's still burning. And the water's getting hot. Definitely have some kind of fire break around it. And I think you could probably use a smaller tuna fish can and then a soup can on top of that. Use the tuna fish can with the top and bottom cut out, and the soup can would fit, something similar. But there you go. Alright. Stay tuned for more quirky redneck fixes.